Hi, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this article, Red Alert. Hauled into court. FBI caught major Trump enemy. One of the most corrupt and biased figures involved in the FBI's Russia investigation was just hauled into court. A notorious anti-Trump filed a lawsuit against the FBI and Department of Justice. And rather than backing down and caving to her, the Trump administration will see her in court. Former FBI lawyer Lisa Page is suing the DOJ and the FBI for releasing the infamous text messages between her and ex-agent Peter Strzok, with whom she was having an affair. Page and her lawyers say the DOJ violated the Privacy Act and are seeking more than $1,000 in damages, as well as attorney's fees and other costs associated with legal action. According to Page's lawsuit, the public disclosure of the text messages landed her in therapy and she had trouble finding work. She also listed the demeaning tweets by President Donald Trump. Page's suit says that many of these messages that she exchanged with Strzok involved matters that were of a personal nature, including discussions about their families, medical issues, and daily events. She also claims the texts were released in violation of the Federal Privacy Act without her consent to elevate the Justice Department's standing with Trump following the president's repeated public attacks of the department and its head, then Attorney General Jeff Sessions. Page resigned in May 2018. Shortly thereafter, her text messages with Strzok were released to a group of reporters who regularly covered the DOJ as part of a 90-page document by the Justice Department. Her lawsuit is nothing short of a pathetic attempt for attention. Page and Strzok dominated national headlines in recent years after the FBI and DOJ released redacted transcripts of their text messages and emails. Strzok served as the number 2 counterintelligence analyst at the FBI before being fired and let go from ex-special counsel Robert Mueller's team after an internal probe found that he had sent hundreds of anti-Trump text messages to Page. Strzok and Page sent countless salacious text messages smearing Trump, his supporters, and making a bevy of controversial comments implying they could take action to stop Trump from taking office. They called Trump supporters a bunch of ignorant hillbillies, spoke about an insurance policy in the case that Trump won the election, mentioned a secret society to unseat a duly elected president, and implied that they and others at the Bureau would never let Trump be president. With all of that to consider, just remember these two left-wing hacks played critical roles in exonerating Hillary Clinton in her email scandal and opening the Russia witch hunt into Trump. Now Page is trying to sue the DOJ and FBI for releasing her text messages, which could lead to more of her actions at the Bureau being exposed.